Right guys, this is my holiday car. It's a 2008 BMW 3 Series convertible and it's been residing in Barbados for the last 5 years and I've been enjoying it. This is the same car after it got into an accident. We bought it back from the insurance company and it's been abandoned outside my grandma's house for 2 years. But we're gonna change that. I just got a flight and I made my way to Barbados and I'm gonna be rebuilding my holiday car. Hello guys, welcome back to day 4 on the holiday build. I'm currently driving through St. Peter. That's a parish slash borough. I'm going down to the supermarket. I need to get a few bits. I need to get some food bits and I'm gonna go to my favorite bakery shop. I need to get some stuff from there. But I'm doing all of that because it's been very frustrating on the holiday build. This bit of pipe right here, oh my god, it's so difficult to get it in this country because it's a foreign import. And then it's just like yesterday, you saw in episode 3, I went around looking for this part. Oh my god, I can't even get out the thing. It's just like, I'm so frustrated, like, I want to just shout. Going around the entire country just for a bit of silicone piping, you know, like the silicone piping that if you're gonna install like a boost gauge or you're gonna install like a blow-off valve, like basic stuff, and they don't have it over here. So these are the kind of issues that I'm running into. I'm just having a lot of problems, man, and being far from home where things are just easily sorted, it's just very difficult to get sorted here. So like, as soon as I landed, the day before I flew, my bloody camera lens broke. Had to pay arm and a leg for a brand new camera lens because I wanted to get good content. The day that I land, the bloody microphone jack is gone. So I film on a Sony a7 III and I can go online, go to Amazon, order the new replacement jack, get that delivered literally next day. Over here, there's no such thing. There's no camera shops that deals with Sony. There is nothing. If I order from Amazon, it takes minimum 3 weeks to come from America. The infrastructure is just very different here compared to London. So like I said, when I set out on this journey, there's different things, but we're gonna keep it moving and I'm gonna find a way to sort it. Also, the guy that is meant to do the welding, he's been fobbing me off. So I spoke to him before I was coming. I'm on a tight timeline. I've only got 2 weeks and I'm filming every single day. And he told me, yep, bring it down, yep. Constant contact before we came down. Now that I'm actually here, he's just fobbing me off. Like, we were supposed to weld up everything yesterday and we didn't. So, anyway, I'm gonna go get a few bits, then we'll head back to the car and see what we can get done. If I can get some silicone, I can get this. It's Friday today. Did order it, I've got it, but I'm just trying to get a backup because there's a lot of connecting pieces that needs to happen. So Akil's got it at the garage. One of my mates has to go collect it, drop it to his mate. His mate is gonna get on a plane tomorrow, come to Barbados at the end of tomorrow, and then I have to meet him. So you never know, like all of these things can break down. It's just really frustrating. Breathe. It feels like I'm ranting and I don't want to rant, so let's just roll on the video. Guys, you can literally just pull over right there and go to the beach. It's crazy. Yeah, I don't want to do that. So guys, my old school is up in the hills up there. It's called Courage and Perry. Anyone who knows Barbados, I actually went to CP, Courage and Perry. Alright guys, I've just pulled up at my cousin's house right there, but let me just show you the organic living. You see this big old tree right there? That's an avocado tree. Whenever you want dinner, and whenever you're having dinner, you want an avocado, you literally come out to the back garden, and you go pick an avocado and you go back inside. It's organic living. He's built this little hut thing here and that's a barber shop, so I'm gonna go get my hair done. And that's my cousin right inside doing this thing, and then I'm gonna go to the car. But I'm just showing you how we live here in Barbados, man. Keep it moving. So guys, avocado, mangoes on that side, but look, you call them star fruit, we call them 5 fingers. I can eat that right now, but don't want it. Look, star fruit, 5 fingers, just in your back garden, chilling. Okay, so I've left my cousins and I'm now back at the car, and the plan for right now, we're gonna jack it up, take that wheel off, and we're gonna start to pull this area, cut that, pull this area, and get all of that pulled out. But it is hot, man, too hot. It's hotter sitting in the garage, so we're outside. Alright guys, so I'm just editing up everything that we did yesterday. It looks amazing, you're gonna enjoy it. However, like, it's so hot over here and the sun, I really underestimated it, and I feel like it gave me a heat stroke. I started to feel really dizzy, and I just thought, you know what, I can't continue in this, man. So I just went and we cooled down in the best way that we knew how, and that was spending the afternoon at the beach, and it was amazing. You saw us diving with the fishes and stuff like that. It was so cool, and that's just on your doorstep, and that's the kind of lifestyle that you live when you're in a tropical island. But anyway, it's the next morning. Let's head back to the car, continue some work. Alrighty guys, so we're back at the car, and check this out. Whilst I was away, Jack went ahead and he removed this panel. He started to straighten up this top section here, and he's gonna start to pull out all of this, beat it all out, and then he's gonna weld in that section back again. But that's just cosmetic. Once again, have a look at that chassis leg. Chassis leg is all good. What I wanna concentrate on though is we've been running this car without coolant. Still got a big problem, have a look in there. That flange, that engine flange is still missing. Boy, in the meantime, I don't even know what I'm gonna say about that. I'm still waiting to see if I can get it shipped in. If I can't get it shipped in, then I'm gonna have to leave it, but I'm still hoping, fingers crossed, it's gonna get here. For now, I wanna do a repair on here. So this is another part that I can't find, but all this is a return line back to the expansion tank right there. So what I'm gonna do is, I went down to the local hardware store and I bought some braided coolant pipe. So have a look at this, braided coolant pipe. I'm gonna cut this section here and cut this section here, and then I should be able to just join that up and do a smart repair. It connects right here onto the subframe, so I should be able to cut that off, and then I should be able to make some sort of a bracket, and that should do the job. This is coolant pipe, as you can see, is braided and is resistant to heat. I told them the application, and this is the pipe that they gave me. But anyway, that's the plan for today, and then we should be able to continue working on here. Alright guys, so have a look at this. This is that replacement silicone hose that's gone inside. I've given it quite a big overlap on that side and on that side, and I've got these nice strong Jubilee clamps to keep that in place. And like I said, this is just a return hose, so this shouldn't have too much of a heavy pressure inside, so that should hold no problem. I'm going to put a cable tie to the original mounting point here, and that should be able to be kind of secure right there without any issue. I've actually just got some good news on the flange that goes here. My mate's friend, so I explained it in the last episode, my guy Akil ordered it from BMW. He gave it to my mate gave it to his friend, and his friend just landed in Barbados last night. So we should be linking up with him in the next hour or so, and he should be giving me a brand new flange from BMW in London, which was ordered 2 days ago, and it took 48 hours and it's here. Have a look at this. I don't know, maybe it's in there. So anyway, for now I've got Daryl with me still, and what we're going to do is we're going to prepare for that new flange. We have to remove the engine oil cooler and the oil filter housing, which is here. Take this entire unit off, and then we'll have access to that flange. As soon as we get that new flange, we're going to be putting it on. So yeah, I'm going to stop blabbing now. Let me get these things off and get to work. Alrighty guys, so I've just come back from meeting up with my mate's friend. Thank you to my mate's friend. Have a look at this. Brand new from BMW in London. This came to Akil's garage 48 hours ago. Akil, thank you very much, man. He made a massive trip to go link up with one of my friends. And this is why you have to have good friends, man, and people to depend on and people you can trust. I've got the new flange, and fingers crossed, now I'm happy about this build, because this is, unless we find anything else that's kind of like unplanned or anything that we haven't seen before, and I think I've seen everything, we should be able to get the car running today. And I want to do some donuts in this field, man. I'm going to get the drone up and do some donuts, but first we need to get some coolant or water in this engine. So let's go. Alright guys, so we spent all day sorting out all of this stuff here, the water components of the car, and I am happy to announce we've got circulating water. The fan is working, it's just stopped. The fan is working, there's no leaks, the rads are on. Hold on. So now that that plane is gone, like I was saying, we've got the cooling inside of things back up and running on the car, and that's a major moment on this build, so I am very, very happy. In the next episode, hopefully we finish off all of this stuff and finally get that front slam panel on, get some lights on, and I want to do some donuts in the field right there. But that is the plan for the next episode, and this is where we're going to end this episode. Believe me, soon you're going to see me cruising down the streets of Barbados, top down, in my holiday car again. Listen, we kept it moving. We found a way to get that part from London all the way over here. It's all working. The cooling system is working. So now we should be out of the woods. I know that everything else should be smooth sailing from here, so fingers crossed. But I'm going to head off. I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. Guys, thank you for watching. Click here to see what YouTube thinks you should watch. Click here to watch one of my previous episodes. And like it said there, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. We out.